2 divided by 1 over 2 multiplied by 4. So if we solve this question by cutting 2 1 by 2, so 1 multiplied by 2 gives us 2, and this will be right same as it is. So 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. But this answer is not right, it is wrong, because according to bracket of mass law of math, we have to solve this question from left to right, and in this rule we have to move from left to right. And in this rule, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, and D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, and A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. This rule tells us that which sign we have to solve first. So in this question, we will see that we can easily look that there are two signs, which are division sign and multiplication sign. So first we have to solve division sign before multiplication. So division sign, and we can change this 1 over 2 according to KCF rule. K stand for keep, C stand for change, F stand for fraction. So if we have to change this fraction, let's see 2, and if it will change into multiplication, and according to KCF rule, we will write as 2 over 1 multiplied by 4. So 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4, and multiplied by 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 gives us 16. So 16 is the correct answer. So we write in this, here we will write the correct answer, which is 16. Thank you so much, dear friend. 16 is the correct answer.